In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Outlook view back to normal. If your Outlook suddenly looks unfamiliar, maybe the message preview disappeared or it shifted below your message list, don't worry. The normal layout most people expect shows your folder list on the left, your messages in the middle, and a reading pane on the right that previews whichever email you select. We'll restore exactly that. Start by opening Outlook on your computer. Give it a moment to load your mailbox so you can clearly see the main window. Everything we'll do happens right from the standard toolbar at the top. Next, look along the top menu for the View tab. This is where Outlook keeps all the display and layout controls. Selecting it reveals tools that affect how your inbox looks without changing any of your mail. Within the View tab, locate the section labeled Layout. These options manage the major panels you see on screen, like the message list, folder pane, and the reading pane. This is the area that controls whether your email preview is hidden, shown at the bottom, or placed on the right. Choose Reading Pane to open its choices. The reading pane is the live preview area that lets you read an email without opening it in a separate window. If your Outlook feels cramped or unfamiliar, it's often because this pane got turned off or moved. Now select Show on the right. As soon as you choose this, Outlook rearranges the window into the familiar three-column view, folders on the left, your list of messages in the center, and the reading pane on the right. That's the standard layout many people think of as normal, and it offers a great balance between visibility and space for reading. That's all you need to do. If anything still looks off, double check that reading pane is set to the right and not to off or bottom. Remember, these settings affect how you view messages, not the messages themselves, so you can switch back at any time. Also, keep in mind that some view settings can be remembered per folder, so one folder might still look different even after you adjust the layout. That simply means the inbox you're viewing is updated while others keep their current preference. With these quick adjustments, you'll be back to a clean, efficient Outlook experience that makes scanning and reading your mail fast and comfortable. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your refreshed inbox.